5,000 per annum.
In the area of IoT, enterprise architecture and product development, Sri Shravan has over 23 in telecom industry. He has worked as a director at Verizon Communications, a Fortune 15 company, and the company's OSS capabilities in the wireless network space. Sri Shravan led the company's network systems, IT portfolio, and managed people and handled projects budgeted at $30 million. In his entrepreneurial journey, Sri Shravan's vision is to build the best-in-class nation by providing all the critical components in the IoT value chain available to the customers, such as connected device and artificial intelligence. In 2018, his company has been rated by CIO Outlook APAC magazine in the Asia and Pacific region. Sri Shravan holds an engineering degree in computer science and is trained in leadership program with Harvard Business School. Sri Shravan also has 2 patents in the area of management and advanced media file search. We are extremely happy to have you with us today, sir.
This academic year, COVID pandemic has changed the entire landscape of recruitment process. Earlier, companies used to visit the campus and conduct the placements. Due to the pandemic, companies started online recruitment. Geetham Hyderabad campus has quickly adopted the new changes and prepared the students industry ready by conducting the online assessments, AI-based mock interviews, online training and internship on advanced technologies like AML, data sciences, full stack. All these efforts have helped the students to perform better in campus placements. As of now, 165 companies have visited and recruited 903 students, out of which 197 students received multiple offers. Major corporate giants who visited and recruited our Hyderabad students are TCS, Mindtree, Virtusa, Wipro, Value Momentum, Mu Sigma, NTT Data, Jespe, Hexaware, Collins Aerospace, FactSet, Nalsoft, TA Digital, Prokarma, Dell Technologies, Upgrad, Byju's, Vimta Labs, MSN, OpenText, HP, Deloitte, Berger Paints, Axis Bank, Naukari.com, ICICI Bank, MRF, Airtel, Tech Mahindra, Invesco, CK Birla Group, Asian Paints, Federal Bank, Max Bupa, City Union Bank, Amar Raja, and S&P Global. So some of the placement highlights for the academic year are: for the first time, Geetham Hyderabad students got international placements offered by Virtusa with a salary package of USD 45,000 per annum. Service companies like TCS recruited 200 students, Value Momentum selected 87 students, Mindtree has offered 75 placements, which is highest in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Accenture has selected 44 students. Mu Sigma selected 8 students with a salary of 30 lakhs for 4 years. Byju's selected 17 students with 10 lakh CTC. 22 students were selected by Upgrad with 8 lakh CTC. OpenText has chosen 14 students with 7.25 lakh CTC. Deloitte selected 4 students with 6.75 lakh CTC. Federal Bank with 12 lakhs. Talent Sprint and Brain with 8 lakhs. Dell Technologies with 8 lakh CTC. 100% placement record for pharmacy, MTech and MSc chemistry. Highest CTC for MBA is 12 lakhs, BBA is 10 lakhs and BSc is for 10 lakhs. Average salary package increased to 4.8 lakhs. On this day, I congratulate all the achievers and my best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
N. Shivaprasad, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor.
Ladies and gentlemen, any education institutes 3 important days. One is the inauguration of the new batch of students, induction program, which you got about 4 years ago. The second one is the convocation where the passing out students take the degrees. The third important day is today, that is the Achievers Day. The Achievers Day, many people join in the education institute with the aim of getting a good job or going abroad. In our students, about 20-25% of the students are opting to go abroad, and the other people are choosing to go into the job, and about 5-10% are settling in their own industry or business. This is how the composition is. The university policy is, whoever joins at the Geetham University, you should walk out with a job or a foreign seat or a good foundation to start their own industry or help them, parents, in their business. That is how it is. So naturally, combining these 3, we have to develop our curriculum and also plan our activities, the extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, in addition to the curriculum anyway is an important aspect. Visualizing the importance of the guidance for all aspects, Geetham University, the last 1 year, has created, instead of training and placement, a new cell calling that one as the guidance and counseling. That is the GCGC, what it is. The idea of this one is, right from the first year, we have to develop their career rather than only training and placement. It is not the placement training alone. Their career development is what the Geetam has been planning, and we are going in that direction. And some of the outgoing students, what they are missing is the student's life. Our young president visualized the need of the student life, a good life on the campus. A separate unit has been created as the student life to see that you enjoy the campus when you are here. It is not only by the good education with the other activities. So for that, a director has been appointed. These are the two things that have come up in the recent past 1 year. Now, last year, as all of us know, it is a pandemic year for throughout the world. But the life cannot stop because of the pandemic. We have to see what is that we have to do, how to get our children. I say our children, when they are on the campus, all of us treat your children when parents are here as our children. So our concern was how to train our children in this pandemic to get a good job. There are several challenges we have faced, and with our own innovative solutions and the support of the management, we could find reasonable answers for those problems. The foremost thing, January 16, 2020, the government of Telangana asked to close down the institute. That was by the time, majority of the students who passed out in 2020 got job offers or training programs have been over. We did not have much difficulty because the placement activities, training, etc. are over by the middle of March 2020. But all our concern was what to do with these final years who are passing out in 2021, because the conditions are not allowing the students to come onto the campus, and how to do the job with the online, that is the training, and also the placements. Really, we were concerned about that. Fortunately, the trying circumstances were faced by the students, and they take it also as the challenge. Without their support, sitting long hours in front of the computer in training and studying, we would not have reached this state. And as you know well, many of these universities, they were not able to complete the examinations, whereas almost on time, like a regular schedule, we complete the results, and also we announced Monday onwards we are planning to distribute the provisional certificate and also marks card, consolidated marks card for the final years. That means we are more or less with the same schedule as it has been happening with the well-planned program, and also with the support. I have to congratulate and also thank the students for cooperating with us in the online teaching. So many people feel that the online teaching is not effective. It cannot replace the on-campus teaching. It is true. If that chance is there, we prefer only on-campus teaching. But when the conditions are not permitting, we have to find what is the best alternative. In that direction, we trained our faculty in the summer 2020 how to take the online classes. Considerable time was spent in training our people for online teaching. In that way, the people have come forward in the training and placement activities normally used to go on the campus. We could do them using the virtual mode. The same thing is going on for 2022 would-be passed out batch. Now the training is going on. And placement, last 2 to 3 years, we have been focusing on increasing the average salary of our students. So that is how I'm happy to note from our training and placement director, the salary has gone up to 4.8 lakhs on average. I'm very happy, 4.8 lakhs, in the sense with the increment. But this increment will come slowly. Our aim is to reach about 6 to 7 lakhs annum package at par with many of the IITs or NITs. Their average salary is about 6 lakhs. And I'm confident that we'll be able to reach in the next 2 to 3 years because the improvements will be gradual. Our aim is to reach that. The more notable thing is BSc education. Generally, people opt professional education thinking that job opportunities are better for professional education. But this year...
And this car suddenly approaches him and then skids in front of him in a rash manner. And then from the car, he sees one gentleman coming out, all decked up, suited. He walks up to the shepherd and he says, "Hey shepherd, if I tell you the number of sheep in your flock, would you give one of them to me?" The shepherd says, "Okay, good enough, fair enough. Go ahead." This guy walks back to his car, pulls out his laptop, connects to a GPS device, runs some software, and then he comes back to the shepherd and says, "We have 40 sheep." Shepherd is surprised. He says, "Yeah, that's the correct number." So now he says, "Can I pick one?" He says, "Yeah, go ahead, pick one." So this guy picks one and walks back to his car. And while he's walking back, the shepherd stops him. He says, "Stranger, if I tell you who you are, would you give back whatever you just picked up?" The stranger says, "Yes, fair enough." And then this guy says, "You are a management consultant." He says, "How did you know?" "Very simple. You came out of nowhere, gave me the information which I already knew. Number two, you took my dog instead of the sheep." What I wanted to tell is that you guys are all entering the corporate world. One of the key important things is for you to understand the business that you are in. People get in, you have skills, you all understand, you're all the achievers, but once you get inside, the key thing that is going to differentiate the kind of products you're building and the quality of the products is the knowledge of the business. So you just not learn about the skills that you have, you also need to spend time to understand, build a holistic view of the problem that you're trying to solve, holistic view of the business. You also need to understand the customer's needs. Only then you will be able to deliver or give a product which the customer is happy about it. Otherwise, you will be a failure. There will be a lot of reworks, and reworks, as you know, are expensive. You have to spend a lot of money again, a lot of time lost. So it's very important that when you enter into companies, start learning about the organization, start learning about your customers, and then you'll be able to give a better quality product. I won't end my stories here. I have one more story. This story is about my former chairman in my former company. His name is Ivan Seidenberg. Before he became the chairman of the company, it's a Fortune 15 company with around $135 billion revenue. Do you know what he was before he joined the company? He was a janitor, person who sweeps floors in the bathroom and washes bathrooms, those kind of things. So he's a janitor. And it so happened that while he was working as a janitor, after a couple of years or year after that, his superintendent came to him and he said, "Hey Ivan, I know that you wanted to go to college. There's a telco company. If you get a job there, they will give you money or they'll sponsor your college tuition fee." Ivan was surprised. He said, "You knew a year back that I wanted to get into college. Why didn't you tell me this before?" So this superintendent tells him, "I wanted to see if you are really worthy of it." So he saw that, so what it means is that whatever job you get, whatever work you have, if you do a bang of a job of it, you will always get noticed. So when you get into the corporate world, you also need to look and see, what kind of work have you got. If you do a bang of a job, work hard. Professor touched upon it. Once you get into corporates, whatever you do is going to reflect back on the institution, and the institution gains so much, and the students studying here also gain so much. They get a lot of opportunities. So what is the badge that you are going to wear when you're going? You're already achievers. We have to keep on achieving. As you go in, you all need to be noticed. So what can you do to get noticed? What is your key thing? You need to start thinking about it. On an IT side, I can say the guy who's walking in would want to be known as the best coder. If you're a pharmacist, you want to be known as the best pharmacist out there. If you're a lawyer, if you're in B school, you want to be known as the best business guy, the guy who can solve issues. So what is the badge that you want to carry, and how many badges can you carry on yourself
as you progress in your career. That's going to determine your success or failure. So moving on, the other thing, one thing that I personally am terrified when somebody asks this question, what is your passion? Right? A lot of times people ask you, have you found your passion and things like that. So one of the most dreadful questions. A lot of times people say if you have a passion for something and if you work in that same field, you'll be very successful. And to find a passion, it's not so easy. Steve Jobs found his passion. Not everybody can find their passion. You take number of years, you take 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, some might find it early, some might not find it at all. So what is in our hands? What is in our hands is the work that we have. So as you enter into corporates, whatever work comes to you, you start understanding what is that work, you start developing interest in that and start building passion on it. So there's not going to be only one passion, you start getting different kinds of things, you start building passion for everything that you're doing. That is how you start growing. My personal example, I worked in IT industry for close to 17 years before, 17 18 years before I quit the company. I was in a software side, and when I started my company, I got into IoT, a lot of electronic stuff. I design and architect a lot of electronic systems. I have no clue about electronics. I had no idea what a PCB was, what it does, what happens inside the PCB, things like that. But I developed that passion, started taking interest in that, and then as time progressed, that became my thing. So like that, in your job, you will find various types of works that you get. You need to start building your interest, and then you start understanding the thing, and then that will become your passion. To give you an example, how many of you know Leonardo da Vinci? Okay, so he was born in 1450s and all, and he was known to be a great sculptor. He was a engineer. He was an artist. He was a painter. So lot of different kind of fields. Do you think what kind of passion he would have had? What was his single passion? He didn't have a single passion. So whatever you discover as you go along in your life and career, you start experiencing that. So it's mostly about instead of you discovering your passion, you start discovering various things that you can build your passion upon, and that is how you can deliver quality work. That's how you can grow in your careers. I've been talking the last few minutes talking about business skills, working hard, or you build your passion, do things like that. So have I really implemented that? Now I started my own company, so what did I learn, what did I do? Absolutely yes. Now today the company that I run, I don't have one single customer. So when I talk about business, knowledge of business, today I have multiple clients, tens of clients, and I need to learn the business about every one of them. Each one of them I need to understand what kind of things they require, what they need to do. So these are things that I learned in my corporate world. And I need to work hard and then build passion. Like I said, when I started on IoT, we started with one small product. We did a telecom remote monitoring system, and then somebody came and said, hey, we have an energy monitoring system that we want to do. We started doing that. Then we started doing GPS. Then we started doing gas monitoring. So anything to do with monitoring, we started building those things. So not so many products. So I can't go and tell today, oh, I have my passion for only one subject or one area. It's how you inculcate these kind of things. And all of this is possible only because of working for a big organization. And you need to build a career in an organization. A lot of times people come in, they say, oh, we'll quit in 1 year or 2 years, there's a new package coming in. I don't know why you choose the company that you choose. Is it because of the money or because of the company's brand? But end of the day, you need to build a career with a company. A lot of folks don't understand what is building a career with a company. You just quit in 1 year or 2 years. But if you build a career with a company like I did, I grew in, I went in as a developer, then became a lead, a manager, delivery head. I spent 14 years in this company. You get to gain a lot of various experiences. Now today, I can probably say that I understand because I work with various business leaders and have seen the company's ups, the downs, the growth zones, the profit areas. So I know how companies deal with them. When there's a downturn, what do they do? What programs they chop off? How do they manage their employees? And when they are in the growth path, how do they manage the bonuses? How do they pay out, take care of the employees? Lot of things that you learn. I would say it's about people on the business side, the faculty or the management not like it. You don't need to get an MBA. You just walk into a corporate, you are doing an MBA right there. That is your MBA. Okay, you don't need to go to any graduate school because these big companies that you are joining today, the minute you enter, you are going to come out with another degree in your hand.
I've been placed in Virtusa International Hiring for $45,000 as my salary. I extend my gratitude towards TNP Cell and the Geetham faculty who've been supporting me and being my guidance throughout my academic journey. Thank you.
I'm Tanushree and I'm from Geetham University of Computer Science and Engineering. I've been placed in 3 companies of Value Momentum, Wipro and Global Edge Software. So our Geetham people, they gave us many opportunities to get through these companies. Even in this pandemic situation, they have kept many mock tests and all to get confidence in our interview time. So that is very easy for us to crack our interviews. Our TNP department and management of Geetham has very well helped for us to crack these interviews. So I'm really very much happy to be a part of Geetham. Thank you.
My name is Sayadurga Srinivasraju Vetkuri. I got placed in Virtusa International Hiring, which is the Virtusa USA offer with a package of $40,000. And I thank TNP for giving me this opportunity. And I thank my parents and Geetham faculty for supporting me in getting this offer.
I'm Amrita Burra. I'm a 2021 pass out from Geetham University. I've completed my bachelor's from Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I'm happy to say that I've received multiple offers, and it was because of my TNP cell and my faculty. In this pandemic situation when everything is difficult, the training was hard initially, but they helped me cope up with all of this, and as a result I've received the offers that I have, and the average package that I got is 3.7.
2013లో ఈ గీతం యూనివర్సిటీలో కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్లో జాయిన్ చేశాను. అతను ఇక్కడ 4 ఇయర్స్ చదువుకొని మంచి వృద్ధిలోకి వచ్చి క్యాంపస్ సెలక్షన్లో రాక్వెల్ కాలేజ్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యి 1 ఇయర్ జాబ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఆస్ట్రేలియా ఎంఎస్ హయ్యర్ స్టడీస్కి వెళ్ళి బాగా చదువులో బాగా వృద్ధిలోకి వచ్చి బాగా ఉన్నాడు. అందుకని మా అమ్మాయిని కూడా ఇదే క్యాంపస్లో కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీర్గా 4 ఇయర్స్ బ్యాక్ చేర్చాను. ఇప్పుడు 2 క్యాంపస్ సెలక్షన్లో 2 జాబ్స్ వచ్చినాయి. హాఫ్ క్యాంపస్లో కూడా 1 జాబ్ వచ్చింది. నాకు నా ఫ్యామిలీకి గీతం యూనివర్సిటీ ఎంతో తోడ్పడింది, చదువులో వాళ్ళని వృద్ధి చేసింది. అందుకని గీతం యూనివర్సిటీకి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మా పాప
సరే, నేను గీతం యూనివర్సిటీలో సిఎస్సి బ్రాంచ్ చదువుకున్నాను. నాకు యూనివర్సిటీ టాప్ వచ్చింది 9.54 CGPAతో. నేను 2 కంపెనీస్లో ప్లేస్ అయ్యాను. వన్ ఈజ్ వర్చుసా అండ్ అదర్ ఈజ్ యాసెంచర్. 4.5 CTCతో నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు గీతం.
Hi, my name is Kalyan. I'm from BTech Computer Science Engineer graduation, and we are very proud to be a Geethamite, and the faculty has helped us a lot for moving on with our career, and we are very thankful for them. We appreciate all the support given from the Geetham College. We are very happy. Thank you.
My name is Sai Kiran, and I'm very happy that today Geetham Hyderabad is celebrating Achievers Day in pandemic also. I am very happy to meet my friends and all my faculty members. It have been a very good day, and in this pandemic also many of the students have got placed in various companies and got various offers. So I'm very happy to be part of a Geetham. Thank you.
Geetham is celebrating its Achievers Day today. I am a proud Geethamite. I have received multiple offers from various MNCs like Wipro, TCS and Virtusa. It's a very proud moment for me and my family. Thank you.